वेल गाइस, आज मेरे साथ हैं बहुत ही खास इंसान जो कई सारे रिश्ते नाते हैं मेरे इनके साथ, तो और कई सारी इन्होंने चीज़ें की हैं। ही इज़ फ्रॉम IIT दिल्ली, ही इज़ फ्रॉम IIM अहमदाबाद, ही इज़ 1 year senior to me, so he was also in the same 2 colleges that I have gone to. उन दोनों कॉलेजेस में ये मेरे सीनियर थे, तो वी हैव हैड सम टाइम टुगेदर. He is the CEO and फाउंडर ऑफ policybazaar.com, जिसकी वैल्यू आज उतनी है कि आई डोंट नो कितने जीरो हैं. Policy, he's a CEO and founder of policybazaar.com, and okay, I don't know, there's so many numbers floating around. It's more than $1 billion, right, the value?
हाँ यार, बिलियन से तो काफी ऊपर है.
कितनी है बिलियन से?
कई
कितनी?
कई बिलियन है, कई बिलियन है. जल्दी जल्दी उसके भी
ठीक
नंबर
ठीक
गिनने
ठीक ठीक लगा लो सर,
मुश्किल
ठीक
है.
ठीक लगा लो. 5 बिलियन है, 10, 5, 10, 2, 3.
इट इज मतलब मेरे को बोलना अलाउड नहीं है यार, क्योंकि वो मतलब आईपीओ का टाइम वगैरह है, लेकिन हाँ मतलब इट इज मोर देन अ फ्यू बिलियन.
ओके, सो फ्यू बिलियन. और 1 बिलियन कितना होता है भारतीय पैसों में, ताकि लोगों को पता लग
बहुत
जाए?
होता है यार, मैंने तो कभी गिने नहीं. 7,500 करोड़ होता है.
7,400 करोड़ होता है 1 बिलियन. तो
हाँ.
अगर मतलब अगर आप ऑब्वियसली पॉलिसी बाजार माइट डू एन IPO, सो मैं भी फाइनेंस में रह चुका हूँ, तो मैं जानता हूँ कि वो अभी ऐसे बोल नहीं सकते, नहीं तो फंस जाएंगे, क्योंकि ही कैन नॉट गिव हिज व्यू, बट इट्स अ कपल ऑफ बिलियन. तो सोच लीजिए 20-25 हजार की करोड़ की कंपनी. अच्छा, ये तो बता दो 20,000 करोड़ में कितने जीरो होते हैं?
यार मैं ना अपने दोस्तों में ना करोड़ को करोड़ बोलता ही नहीं, मैं कलोल बोलता हूँ उसको.
हाँ, ये हाल है. तो
तो जब
जिससे,
चीजें कलोल में जाते हैं गिनना बंद हो जाता है.
क्योंकि मैं आपको उन दिनों से जानता हूँ जब हम मतलब ये होता था कि चाय का बिल कौन देगा, और एंड इट बिकेम एन इशू कि पिछली बार मैंने दिया था, इस बार तूने दिया था. तो 20,000 करोड़ में कितने जीरो होते हैं, प्लीज लोग कमेंट्स में डाल दें. आई थिंक 8 तो होते हैं. 8? नहीं नहीं नहीं
पता
नहीं,
नहीं
मच
यार,
मोर यार.
ज्यादा
20,000 इज
होते
4
हैं.
zeros and then 1 crore is 7. 11 जीरो.
हाँ,
Okay, I
बहुत
was
होते
so
हैं यार.
wrong. Okay, that's what two IIT graduates do when they have to value their own company. So he's the CEO of policybazaar.com. He founded that company from scratch, and today it's worth thousands, tens of thousands of crores maybe. And you must have seen the ads of policybazaar.com in which लोगों को डांट पड़ती रहती है. I don't know क्यों. Those ads always had उल्लू मत बनो, ये मत करो, मतलब से, but they worked. And he is also, now comes the really cool part, he is also an Iron Man. जो, अगर मैं लोगों को बता दूं आयरन मैन क्या होता है, ये एक आपने सुना होगा स्विमिंग रेसेस के बारे में, आपने सुना होगा मैराथन्स के बारे में, आपने सुना होगा साइकिलिंग रेसेस के बारे में. तो आयरन मैन वो होता है जिसमें से तीनों साथ में फॉर सम रीजन करना है, मतलब. और इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, यशीश यू नो बेटर, 107 100 and something 79 miles.
It's about 4 kilometers of swimming,
हाँ.
followed by 180 kilometers of cycling, and then you do 42 kilometers of running. It's one after the other, and you have to do it in between 16 to 18 hours. That's the cutoff time for every Ironman, and I have done it in about 11 hours. It's, I think, in the top 4-5 timings of India.
मैं सोच के थक रहा हूँ. आई मीन इट्स बेसिकली, आप दिल्ली से चलो तो मसूरी तक पहुंच जाओगे जब तक खत्म करोगे.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, पहुंच
I mean, just to give
जाओगे.
people perspective on what this is, you can reach. I mean, if you're from Bombay, you'll reach beyond Pune. You'll go to like Panchgani or something. शिरदी वगैरह भी जा सकते हो आप, and not by your on your own.
But it's a
So you've
lot
done,
of fun. मजा बहुत आता है, मजा बहुत आता है. You know, पहले पानी में जाते हो, उसके बाद साइकिलिंग करते हो. साइकिलिंग करते सबको मजा आता था. As children, I think we all enjoyed cycling. Whether somebody enjoyed running or not, I have not met a person who did not enjoy cycling. तो साइकिलिंग मजा आता है, तो दौड़ भी लेते हैं.
सर टोबू साइकिलें चलाना और आयरन मैन की साइकिलें चलाना, कोई आप, हाउ कैन यू इवन कंपेयर? और आप तो कह रहे पानी में जाने में मजा आता है जैसे कहते बीच हॉलिडे हो रहा है. I mean, it's a race. It's crazy. So you've done the Ironman, you've done half Ironman, which itself is crazy, and it's the same race, guys. That the one Milind Soman did and suddenly captured attention, right? It's the same one, right?
Yes.
Yes. So it's the hardest. Basically, it's the hardest race in the world, guys. So he's done that.
It's considered Chetan. It's considered the इसको बोलते हैं the hardest one-day event in the world.
नहीं,
Because देखो
जिंदगी
तो
एक
बहुत
हार्ड
लंबी
इवेंट
लंबी
है
भी है.
सर. यशीश,
पर हाँ,
जिंदगी
एक दिन में क्योंकि सब कुछ करना ना काफी ज्यादा हो जाता है.
सर, जिंदगी एक हार्ड इवेंट है.
हाँ.
जिंदगी ही एक
ऐसे
रेस है.
सोचो तो, ऐसे
ऐसे सोचो
सोचो
तो
तो
जिंदगी
हाँ.
रह जाए. पर ओके, सो मिलिंद सोमन इज अमेजिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, बट गाइस चेक दिस आउट, IIT JEE क्लियर किया है, CAT क्लियर किया है, policybazaar.com worth I don't know gazillion crores, and Iron Man. So please tell me if you can get someone else who can motivate you or a bigger inspiration figure. आप ढूंढ के लेके आओ सर, आपको नहीं मिलेगा, आप जितने मर्जी आयरन मैन भाग लो इधर उधर, आपको पूरे शहर में. तो आई हैव गॉट Yashish and he happens to be from my colleges. So welcome to the show. That's why it's the longest introduction I've ever done. But आपका बनता था सर.
Thank you so much, Chetan. मैं I was telling you last time also, जब हम मिले थे तो कहानी ये थी कि मैं और चेतन का एक्चुअल इंटरेक्शन और कंपटीशन एक ही बार हुआ था. मतलब इंटरेक्शन तो बहुत हुआ था, बट हम लोग एक फाइनल में थे एंड वी हैड टू स्पीक अबाउट वर्ड्स. एक शब्द देते थे वो और कहते थे इसके ऊपर सेंटेंस बनाओ. IIM में कंपटीशन था,
एलोक्यूशन काइंड ऑफ थिंग. या
एलोक्यूशन काइंड ऑफ थिंग. और मेरा सबसे बड़ा अचीवमेंट ये है कि मैं उसमें फाइनल में था चेतन भगत के साथ. ऑब्वियसली चेतन वन, बट मैं कम से कम फाइनल में था. मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
गुड थिंग इट I won because it wasn't Iron Man and it wasn't about founding companies and things like that. Yashish, ये आप मतलब ये क्या हो रहा है? Why ये क्या एक like what is causing this कि कंपनी भी बनानी है तो इतनी बड़ी बनानी है, भागना भी है तो पूरा आयरन मैन भागना है. Where is this coming from?
यार पता नहीं, मतलब I don't know, but one thing I know about myself is कोई काम अगर करता हूँ तो फिर उस पे से मतलब हटता नहीं हूँ मैं. मतलब which is just just the way it is, and ज्यादातर that happens मतलब इसमें बहुत ज्यादा सोच नहीं होती कि मतलब क्या काम करना है. बट so I'll give you an example, right? मतलब मैं after Ahmedabad I got a job with ITW Signode, and I did not like it. I did not like the job. The salary was also very poor. बिल्कुल मतलब ठीक है, जो भी था वो था, right? बट मैं उस जॉब में 4 साल रहा था और हर रोज सवेरे जाके मैं अपने पूरे जोर से काम करता था, बहुत जोर से. मेरी प्रमोशन भी काफी हुई उस बिजनेस में. तो The point I'm trying to say is, एक बार जब सवेरे उठ जाते हो तो उसके बाद अपना पूरे जोर से मेहनत करते हैं और we don't stop. तो somewhere कहीं ना कहीं पहुंच ही जाते हो यार. अगर ऐसे लगे रहोगे तो मतलब कहीं ना कहीं पहुंच ही जाओगे. मतलब ऐसे how can it be, वो होता है ना, मतलब जो भी कह लो, कर्मा कह लो, कुछ भी कह लो, ऑटोमेटिक होता है वो. ऑटोमेटिक इनपुट आउटपुट होती है.
Okay, you are making it sound too simple कि कुछ ऐसे करते रहोगे हो ही जाओगे, because ऐसा होता नहीं है. If motivation was so simple, I wouldn't have a job. I wouldn't have so many people coming to this channel. Let's go back, Yashish. We'll have to do a deep talk here. We'll go back. Let's go back in time. जब आपका जन्म हुआ, कहाँ पे जन्म हुआ और आप कैसे टाइप के बच्चे थे? Were you a very like enthu cutlet child, or you introvert, extrovert? क्या आपका बड़ा अमीर घर में जन्म हुआ, गरीब घर में हुआ? क्या था माहौल और आप तब क्या सोचते थे अपने बारे में?
यार मैं तो एक I was born army family, and my goal since the day I was born was to join the army. And basically I thought it was a very romantic idea to join the army. I would go fight wars, ये वो मजा आएगा. But if I was to think about it, we used to change schools every couple of years, and that used to make me a different person every time.
कहाँ पर है इंडिया में? किधर किधर?
मैं मेरठ में, तो जम्मू में पैदा तो रोहतक में हुआ था. उसके बाद यार I have stayed in every state in the country. मतलब if you consider the north east as one state, तो मतलब हर स्टेट में रहा हुआ हूँ मैं. मेरे फादर इन्फेंट्री में थे, कश्मीर में बहुत रहा, हिमाचल में रहा, मेरठ में रहा, हम रांची में भी रहे हैं, हम तमिलनाडु में भी रहे हैं. We were posted all over, but my father's main posting was in Kashmir, पुंछ एरिया. तो वहां पे बहुत रहा हूँ, बहुत ज्यादा रहा हूँ वहां पे. मैं एक हर पहाड़ी को जानता हूँ. मतलब I know it as well as the army people know it, because मैं हर पिकेट पे गया हुआ हूँ. मैं even I went to the Pakistani side. वहां पे उन्होंने मुझे टॉफी दी थी, मेरे को ले गए थे.
Went to the Pakistani side? You just crossed the border for a toffee? Yashish,
हाँ, वो बच्चे की तरह ले गए थे. यार 25 मीटर पे होती हैं दोनों की दोनों जो आर्मी बैठी हुई है वहां पर. At some point in the picket we are just 25 meters apart. तो
dude, like your parents are like, okay, चलो.
नहीं, my parents did not know. My parents did not know. तो आपको मजाक बताता हूँ. जो दोनों आर्मी की पिकेट वहां पे लगी हुई हैं, उनको ये पता होता है कि वेडनेसडे को वहां पर मीट आता है, इस दिन यहाँ पे क्या खाना आता है. वो कई बार आपस में शेयर भी करते हैं. ये मतलब अजीब लगेगा, वो कई बार आपस में शेयर भी करते हैं.
आज की डेट में नहीं हो सकता सर.
तुम्हारा मीट आता है तो मुझे भेज दिया करो, मेरे मीट आता है मैं तुम्हें भेज दिया करूंगा. वो लड़ाई होती है, बोलियां जल्दी शुरू आती हैं. जब तक लड़ाई नहीं होती तब तक सब आपस में वहीं पे हैं. इसमें क्या हो गया. तो और मेरे को वो ले गए थे, उन्होंने थोड़ा बहुत टॉफी वगैरह खिलाई. मैंने उनको कहा कि मैं तुम्हारे ऊपर मोटर चला दूंगा, तुम्हारे को उड़ा दूंगा, ये वो. उन्होंने गोदी में उठा लिया, फिर उन्होंने मुझे कुछ खिलाया पिलाया, उन्होंने टॉफी दी. मैं कहा तुम्हारी टॉफी नहीं खाऊंगा मैं, और फिर उन्होंने वापस भेज दिया मेरे को. तो
Dude,
ये सब हुआ.
it's not funny. आज की डेट में, I mean, आज की डेट में ये नहीं हो सकता.
पता नहीं यार, this used to happen. I was born in 72. These must be stories of 76, 77. तब कश्मीर के भी हालात इतने बुरे नहीं थे.
Okay, well, I mean, to have a child and say, जा बेटे जरा खेलते खेलते पाकिस्तान जाके एक
नहीं, my father did not know about this. मैं पिकेट पे गया हुआ था, तो पिकेट पे वो मतलब जवान मस्ती कर रहे थे आपस में, तो उन्होंने मुझे भेज दिया. My father did not know about it कि ऐसा हुआ था. बाद में उनको पता लगा. तो but anyway, I think I grew up as a child. I was quite a outgoing child till I was about 8 years old or so. Then I became very quiet.
अच्छा.
And I don't know what changed that, but I think I went to hostel at about 8 years of age. And
wow,
when I went to
that's
hostel,
a young age.
हाँ, और जो मेरा हॉस्टल था ना चेतन, वहां पर काफी अमीर लोग थे. मतलब मैं तो फौजी था, मतलब मेरे फौजी पेरेंट्स थे.
Which hostel?
तो मेरे पेरेंट्स तो अपने सैलरी का 70-80% खर्च कर रहे थे शायद हमारी स्कूलिंग पर. बहुत ज्यादा था मतलब. तो they decided to send me there, which was a very big thing for them, which financially affected them. But that I think affected me also in some way, I think, because I became very, I was good in sport, but I became a little more introverted than I was before that. And I think it was, just yeah, बहुत छोटी-छोटी चीजें हो जाती थी. मतलब I think if you prompted me to think about it, I used to not think about it, but बहुत छोटी चीजें हो जाती थी. तुम्हारे घर पे टीवी नहीं है, तुम्हारे घर पे वीडियो नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास गाड़ी नहीं है.
Which hostel was this? Sorry, which hostel was
I went to Sanaur.
So yeah, that's a prestigious school, so a lot of rich people.
It's a prestigious school, and most of the people there were quite like at least half the people there were from very wealthy families.
Yes.
And so जैसे हम लोग कहीं पे स्पोर्ट्स में जाएंगे तो मतलब my parents would come on a scooter or something. So I actually feel parents maybe should not send their kids to such schools if they cannot afford the lifestyle of the other parents in that school also. Because
really,
somewhere it starts to have an impact on you, however strong you are as a person.
Like what? How did you feel about that? Did you feel like small?
I didn't feel bad about it, but since you asked me about introvertedness, and I look at introvertedness, I think I became an introvert in Sanaur. I gained confidence also, but I think had I not gone to Sanaur, I might have been a very different child, at that stage. So I think I became a little more introverted, and then I came back to St. Columbus in class 11, and again became an extrovert. So if I look at my own pattern, before Sanaur I was an extrovert, after that I was an extrovert, but in that duration I was an introvert. For about
and St. Columbus is in Delhi. That's not a hostel.
Delhi.
Then फिर आप घर पे रह रहे थे.
हाँ, फिर मैं घर पे गया. The moment I came there, then it was people like me, similar backgrounds. It wasn't very different backgrounds, right? मतलब there were a few people, but they were not very different. Sanaur was very, very different, right?
So you would feel in Sanaur कि like इनके पास ज़्यादा pocket money आती है, they are buying video games or whatever was there at that time.
ऐसा ही नहीं होता. कई बार तुम वहाँ पे आओगे, मतलब कुछ लोगों को पैसे का घमंड होता है. तो वो कई बार ऐसे भी बोलेंगे, क्या बकवास लोग आ गए, इनसे बात नहीं करनी हमने.
वाओ, जरा एक ईमेल भेजो ना उन्हें पॉलिसी बाजार की वैल्यूएशन के साथ.
नहीं यार, मेरे दोस्त हैं. अभी तो दोस्त है, बट उस टाइम पर मतलब ऐसे होता है काफी यार. मतलब
होता है,
हो जाता है.
या एंड इट कैन रियली हर्ट.
तुम पहले दिन आए हो, तुम ऑलरेडी होम सिक हो, तुम दो महीने घर रह के आए हो, और तुम पहले दिन आओ और तुमको पहले दिन ही कोई ऐसे बोल दे, तो तुम्हें लगता है कि यार क्या किया.
And you're 8 years old.
You are
I mean,
8
not
years old, you're 10 years, and that is why उनको भी समझ नहीं होती बेचारों को यार, उनको भी मैं सोचता हूँ, उनको भी बेचारों को समझ नहीं होती, वो भी मतलब बस बोल रहे होते हैं, तो ठीक है, तो but then IIT, I think I was quite
No,
an
so
extrovert.
I see again, you very casually gloss over your achievements. It's a very big thing for people on my channel. फिर बस IIT हो गया, फिर बस तो IIT नहीं होता ना, IIT की तो तैयारी लगती है, JEE लगता है. Tell me about that. How did you start preparing for JEE? What is the secret you think? How do you think you cleared it, cracked it? आपका कैसे हुआ? What do you think
यार
you did right?
मेरा भी तकरीबन ऐसे ही स्टोरी थी, that like a lot of people, I wasn't good in other things, but I was quite good in I discovered at some stage I was very good in maths and physics, like a lot of people at IIT. And I think that helped me a lot, right? Because IIT is largely an exam of that, and I think that worked. So I did not know about IIT, quite honestly, because in Sanar nobody knows about IIT. But when I came to St. Columbus, which was in class 11, everybody was speaking about IIT. And the good news was there were quite a few kids there. In Sanar, nobody recognized that I might have had a bit of intelligence also. Nobody recognized that. So it was, I was always just out there. But the moment I came to St. Columbus, there were these 5-6 kids who straight away recognized, yeah, no, you are smart. You get this maths and physics really well. And, so, and they only encouraged me. There was a boy called Siddharth Gupta. He told me there's something called IIT and, you should prepare for it. And then Hitesh was there and a lot of other people were there. And they kind of encouraged me towards it. And I started doing the Brilliance preparation. And you did the Brilliance. I enjoyed it. Yeah, I enjoyed all those YG files and all. I enjoyed it. And I just kept doing it. And, of course, then
how much did you study for IIT? आपको याद है कितने घंटे आप रोज पढ़ते थे?
यार जब पढ़ते थे तो पढ़ते थे. देख मेरे 2-3 चीजें बहुत क्लियर रही हैं लाइफ में. एक तो मैं कभी भी 10 बजे के बाद नहीं 9-10 बजे के बाद नहीं पढ़ता. And I get up quite early.
How
early?
Or
I get up very early. Like since I was a child, I've been getting up at 5 o'clock or so.
Wow. And, in fact, just to let you know, guys, he's in London right now and he wakes up at 5 and he was a little like disappointed that the interview started at 7. He said, "Itna der ho gaya, 7 baj gaye." Which for me was very comfortable, but yeah, I mean, he wanted to do it at 5 in the morning.
I start quite early and studies का ये यार अभी उठ गए हो तो अभी पढ़ाई करनी है तो पढ़ाई भी कर लेंगे, मतलब उसमें क्या है, मतलब if you're enjoying it, it's even better. मतलब अगर मेरे को हिस्ट्री की पढ़ाई करनी हो मेरे लिए काफी मुश्किल होता है उस टाइम. Now I like history. But that time I would have found it very difficult. But I enjoyed maths. And so we kept doing it and I was
so
good
you
at
would
it.
go for like 6 घंटे, 7 घंटे, 8 घंटे, 10 घंटे की.
हाँ यार 6-7 घंटे तो होता होगा यार उस टाइम पे. मतलब वो एक 1.5 साल के लिए 6-7 घंटे होता होगा. और मतलब धूप में बैठ जाते थे, बालकनी में बैठ जाते थे धूप में. और गर्मियों में मतलब जैसा भी मौसम होता है उस टाइम पे इतनी गर्मी नहीं होती थी. और अपना करते रहते थे, अपना YG फाइल करते रहते थे, सॉल्व करते रहते थे.
YG file, for those who don't know, it doesn't exist now. It was this young genius file जो महीने में एक बार आपको डाकिया मतलब लिटरली पोस्टमैन लेके आता था आपके लिए वो नोट्स ब्रिलियंट ट्यूटोरियल्स के और हम करके भेजते थे. This is all Jurassic era for a lot of people here because आजकल सब ऑनलाइन होता है and video classes and all these other things. But I always feel, Yashish, we were lucky. We didn't have these distractions यार. ये फोन जेब में नहीं होता था. Like watching videos and things like that. Like it's hard to focus. A lot of people here say कि हम, like you said, कि बैठो तो 6-7 घंटे बैठो. A lot of people do say to me in my channel that focus नहीं आता है. I can't focus. I can't.
मुझे एक चीज याद है अपने बारे में. And it's good you brought up this topic. I had a massive distraction issue.
Oh.
So many times the teacher would throw chalk at me and tell me कि क्लास में फोकस करो, because मैं क्लास से बाहर देख रहा होता था, शीशे से बाहर देख रहा होता था. मेरे को बहुत मजा आता था बाहर देखने में. तो how did I get myself to focus? It's a very important thing. I teach my kids also this very much. I started deciding to focus in short bursts. Because for me it was very difficult to focus. Very, very difficult. For me personally. So I decided to focus कि अगले 5 मिनट में फोकस रखूंगा बस. और 5 मिनट के लिए मैं पूरा एफर्ट लगाऊंगा. And then I'll see. और वो 5-5 मिनट के ब्लॉक्स में घंटे निकल जाते थे. But अगर थोड़ा लंबा सोचो तो थोड़ा it becomes difficult, right? कि भाई मैं अगले 4 घंटे फोकस रखूंगा. नहीं, वो मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल था. Because then I would think about ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है. मैं ऐसा करता था 5 मिनट में एक चीज करनी, and then you get immersed in it, and then you can keep the focus. So I think breaking things into small
Breaking them.
pieces sometimes helps.
Then you got into IIT, and then what was that like when you got into IIT? आप IIT पहुंचे?
बहुत मजा आया. एक आध टेंशन मीटर थे, एक आध बहुत मजे करने वाले लोग थे, बहुत ज्यादा स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटीज थी.
No, I remember. You were always in the sports uniform or whatever you call it, the sports outfit.
बहुत बढ़िया फैसिलिटीज थी हमारे कैंपस पे. बहुत मजा आया.
And you were always smiling. I remember that. You were always happy in campus. And you're always playing. Okay, but you cleared IIT, and most people who come to IIT, there are people who do sports, but none of them as heavily as, or very few of them do as heavily as you did. You didn't come to IIT and say, chalo yaar, ab GPA बनाएंगे, CGPA बनाएंगे. Or why did you jump into the sports aspect of it?
Yeah, it was natural for me. मेरे को ना बचपन से मतलब शौक रहा है यार. जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था ना, तो मैं मतलब मेरे को बनाता था, ड्राइंग बनाता था. तो उस ड्राइंग में there was a house with a lot of sporting facilities around it. I used to repeatedly make the same thing. उसमें मतलब टेनिस कोर्ट्स थे, उसमें स्विमिंग पूल्स थे, उसमें ये था, वो था, सब कुछ था. And it used to be in the hills. So my drawings were always that. And I just love it यार. कहीं पे स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटी मिल जाए तो उससे बढ़िया मुझे कुछ नहीं लगता. मुझे लगता है कि बस यहाँ पे पूरा दिन निकाल दूं. तो
But at IIT, were you a topper or something in class? Were you a good student, average?
I was a decent student यार. मतलब मेरे ना तो बहुत टॉपर थे और ना ही जीपीए बहुत खराब था. जीपीए मतलब तकरीबन 8 के करीब था यार. मतलब ना तो हम 9 पॉइंट कुछ थे, ना हम 5 पॉइंट कुछ थे.
So and then but your focus there became sports, right? You were again, like you said, लोग आपको sports के लिए वहाँ ज़्यादा जानते थे. You were a captain, like, correct me, I don't remember fully, but you were
multiple teams के captain थे यार. Running team captain, अपना वो athletics team, swimming team, general secretary भी था मैं sports का. So yes.
How are you getting the time to study? Because even 8 point something is not like, you don't just get it. You have to study in IIT. How are you getting the time for sports as well as, and multiple sports, and then administrative positions in sports? You are general secretary and all, and also studies. How are you doing this?
Yeah, I used to focus in class, so I never missed a class. Whatever was going on, I never missed a class. So this is one of the, whatever I may have said about my studies, from nursery to when I finished all college, I have never bunked.
You never bunked in nursery.
I have never bunked a single class in my life.
So nursery
में क्या होता है, क्लास में जाओ तो भाई वो टीचर कोशिश कर रहा है बेचारा पढ़ाने की, कुछ समझ में आता है, उसी टाइम पे फोकस कर लो. बाकी उसके बाहर बहुत ज्यादा फोकस करने की जरूरत है नहीं. वैसे अगर आप ऑनेस्टली देखो, अगर आप क्लास में बैठ के अपनी नोट्स वगैरह बनाओगे, तो उसके बाहर बहुत ज्यादा करना नहीं होता. एग्जाम में वही आता है, टीचर पढ़ाता है.
But if you focus, like you said, if you
focus,
take it seriously,
focus नहीं करो तो फिर तो बहुत मुश्किल है.
What about girls and all? Like ये उम्र होती है जब तुम खेल रहे हो, especially when you're playing sports and all, you know, a lot of female attention sometimes comes. Were you, like, clearly you were very busy if you are studying and captain of 4 teams. लड़कियों के बारे में आपका, like, were you into girls, or were you like thinking मेरी girlfriend होनी चाहिए, नहीं ये वो, because IITs में सूखा ही पड़ा होता है normally.
हाँ, मेरे को ऐसा कुछ नहीं था यार. मैं मतलब थोड़ा सा उसमें अलग रहा हूँ. I find it very interesting that a lot of people were interested in girls and all, but मेरे को ऐसा कुछ था नहीं यार. मतलब you know, ना IIT में, मतलब I don't think I even thought in that direction. I don't know why.
You don't have to judge yourself. It's okay. It's good. Why? Because you were running.
You know, when I think about it, and I try to think about why, maybe because I had grown up in Sanar, और वहाँ पे मतलब whatever you want to say, you know, कई लड़कियां बहुत ज्यादा मतलब smart type आती हैं वहाँ पर. तो उसके बाद वो similar match होना काफी मुश्किल हो जाता है.
Okay, let's not go there. But yes, I know what you're saying. But no, but I think also I you know, it's jokes apart. It's, I think also because when you have a purpose and when you have a focus and when you have certain things you find passionate and when you have something you find meaningful in life, like your sports was very meaningful to you and you were whatever an IIT student also. If you have enough of these things, you don't feel the need कि यार
टाइम ही नहीं मिला यार. सवेरे से शाम हो जाती थी, टाइम ही नहीं मिला.
वही ना।
और मतलब टाइम ही नहीं, मतलब इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं था, मतलब इंटरेस्ट कुछ तो इंटरेस्ट भी चाहिए ना, मतलब इट वोंट जस्ट हैपन टू यू यार, मतलब हम कोई मिलन संबंध थोड़ा ना थे, मैं तो मिलन संबंध नहीं था तो
हो, अब तो आप बन गए हो, आप तो आयरन मैन कर रहे हो, लेकिन
What I'm saying is,
आई नो व्हाट यू
इतना
सेइंग।
इतना इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं था यार, बेसिकली अपना मतलब जहां मन था उसी में लगे रहते थे, स्पोर्ट्स में,
And
और
there was no
थोड़ा
cell
बहुत।
phones and all at that time. You can't talk to girls anyway
दैट
because
इज
बंद
ट्रू
है तो बंद है कैंपस। एक socials होते थे। Did you take part in socials in IIT?
यार सोशल्स की तो कहानी बहुत अजीब है। हम सोशल्स, आई नेवर टुक पार्ट इन सोशल्स, बट बीइंग इन द ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमिटीज एंड ऑल दैट, वो थोड़ा बहुत, तो आई हैड टू ऑर्गेनाइज अ सोशल वंस।
हाँ,
तो हम लोगों ने जेएमसी के साथ ऑर्गेनाइज किया था सोशल,
हाँ।
एंड आई थिंक
That's Jesus
दिल्ली
and Mary
हॉस्टल।
College, guys. For those who don't know, that's a
मेरी
college in
कॉलेज।
Delhi. And just to let you know, socials क्या होते हैं IIT में, क्योंकि हम लोग चाहते थे कि हम लड़कियों से मिलें, तो हम एक socials किया करते थे जो लड़कियां के लिए, हाँ, हम बस भेजते थे। हम बस में लड़कियों को बुलाते थे दिल्ली के कोई कॉलेज से, हम खाना खिलाते थे, पर उसी बस में लड़कियां वापस भी चली जाती हैं। दैट इज द थिंग, दैट वी डोंट
अरे
रियलाइज
हमारे
एट
साथ
दैट
तो
टाइम।
बहुत ही बढ़िया हुआ था, मतलब हमारे साथ नहीं, हमारे
हाँ,
नीलगिरी हॉस्टल के साथ बहुत ही बढ़िया हुआ था। तो भाई उन्होंने सोशल ऑर्गेनाइज किया, सब सब लड़के अपना पैसा भी खर्च करते हैं, वो पूरा पूरा मतलब
हाँ,
तामझाम तैयार करते हैं। दे सेंट द बस, बस खाली वापस आ गई, तो लोग इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि यार बस में क्या क्या हुआ, कोई लड़की आई नहीं बस में।
हाँ।
एंड देन द गर्ल्स स्टार्टेड कमिंग इन देयर ओन कार्स विद देयर
वाओ।
बॉयफ्रेंड्स, with their boyfriends. They came with their boyfriends, had a party and left.
पेड फॉर बाय द आईआईटी स्टूडेंट। तो ये हमारे हाल थे आशीष, सीरियसली मैन। I get it. I can totally, I find it funny, but at the same time I totally understand कि ये हुआ होगा, ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है। और
अरे हुआ
सैंडविच,
था यार।
और वो सैंडविचेस पैक करा के भी लेके गई होंगी कि चलो ये अगले दिन खाएंगे। और हमारे छड़े ऐसे हैं लड़के, कितने भोले भाले, कि बेचारों ने 200 रुपए 300 रुपए देके बस का, सैंडविचेस का, वो रेनबो हस्का से सैंडविचेस आते थे, एंड वो दिए होंगे कि भाई ठीक है शायद कोई मिल जाएगी, और वो अपने सैया खुद ही लेके आके तुम्हारे सैंडविच खा के निकल गई। Okay. Okay. So you were very busy. Okay. So you were a sports person. This that. अभी तक भी ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कोई billionaire बनने वाले आसार अभी तक तो नहीं मुझे नजर आए हैं. So then, how did you start studying for IIM? Why did
So
you
yeah,
go?
as you got to fourth year and all, you have to kind of decide, right? Third year के आसपास you have to kind of decide कि अब आगे क्या करना है लाइफ में।
हम्म,
एंड कोई गोल था नहीं,
हम्म।
मतलब कोई गोल क्लियर नहीं था
आपको
कि
बस
क्या
खेलना
करना है।
है, खेलना था।
खेलना है, हाँ खेलना है, स्पोर्ट्स में मजा आ रहा था, मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, खेलना भी कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा कोई खेलने में कोई गोल नहीं था।
हाँ,
खेलने में ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि ओलंपिक्स जाना है या ऐसा कुछ जाना है यार, बस
हाँ।
मजा आता था, खेलते हैं, कोई मजा आ रहा
वाह।
है, स्विमिंग में मजा आ रहा है वो कर रहे हैं, दौड़ने में मजा आ रहा है वो कर रहे हैं। तो then I remember writing down once in my notebook, CAT for now, CAT for now,
हम्म,
कि भाई अगले 6 महीने मैं कैट के लिए पढ़ूंगा और बस, और बस उसके बाद वो कर दिया, तो मतलब वो किया, उसके बाद यू गो टू, बट इट वाजंट देयर एनी पर्पस, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि एमबीए करना है, एमबीए के बाद कोई
हाँ,
कुछ
कोई
जॉब
स्ट्रैटेजी
करना
नहीं
है,
थी।
ऐसा कोई स्ट्रेटजी नहीं थी। इट
हम्म,
वाज जस्ट कि यार यूएस जाना है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था यूएस क्यों जाना है, क्या करूंगा, इंजीनियरिंग इतनी पसंद नहीं थी कि मतलब इंजीनियरिंग बहुत
हाँ,
ज्यादा करनी है। तो this seemed to make sense. The other option could have been applied to the IAS or something. Army का option खत्म हो गया. That was a very interesting one. Huh? Army was something, by the way, which I applied to after IIT.
वाह।
And I, got a high rank out there in the SSB. But you wouldn't know this, but because you were 1 year junior. But 5th of May or 7th of May, 1990, both JEE and and your service selection board exam fell on the same day.
Oh.
Until then, I was only preparing to take the army test, the NDA test. And then some of my friends said, "Nahi, you must do the IIT test. You will definitely get through, and etc., etc." They just kind of encouraged me in that direction. तो मैंने कहा कि यार ये टेस्ट तो साल में एक बार आता है, वो टेस्ट साल में 2 बार आता है, तो वो वाला बाद में कर लेंगे, कोई बात नहीं। एंड तब तक बहुत लेट हो गया। देन आई वेंट टू भोपाल, आई टुक द SSB test and all, everything I cleared all medicals, etc., and I was supposed to join the NDA. But by then, my father said, "Yeah, all our family's been in the army, why don't you try out civil? And so I became the first person from the family to go into the civil.
Wow.
But other than that, कोई strategy नहीं थी.
Did money, has money, I know there is a lot of money you have now, so which is awesome, but it doesn't look like you used to look at your life in terms of money then, or even now.
Never have, never, hopefully never will. But clearly it's a very my sister has this very interesting thing to say about me, Chetan, and I'll share it with you. So my sister says कि ये बंदा वो है, गर्मी में मच्छर घूम रहे होंगे, ये पड़ा रहेगा, सोता रहेगा, इसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा कि मच्छर मक्खी घूम रहे हैं इसके आसपास, ये वो. बट द मोमेंट घर में एक एसी है, he will make sure he's in that room where the AC is there. तो पॉइंट क्या है कि I don't need anything. If it's there, I'll use it.
Okay.
If you know, but there is no desire for it. It isn't like कि मेरे को एयर कंडीशनर चाहिए है. कोई ऐसा गर्मी में दिल्ली में मुझे एसी नहीं चाहिए है. बट अगर होगा तो मैं जरूर इस्तेमाल करूंगा.
हाँ, but
तो
you know, it's really, I love the fact that despite being a billionaire, your examples today are still about AC है कि नहीं है, which is a very our generation example where AC was a big
share with you. So just to share with you, हमारे घर पे आज भी, because these are the things that tell you what a person's lifestyle is, right? हमारे नोएडा में जो घर है उसमें आज भी EC टीवी लगा हुआ है, वो जो कैथोड रे ट्यूब होता है ना.
No, really?
Yeah.
You can sell that on eBay.
तो ऐसा ठीक है यार, मतलब लाइफस्टाइल वही रहता है, तो ऐसे कोई टेंशन नहीं है. बट हाँ, अगर किसी दिन वो फ्लैट स्क्रीन आ जाएगा, फ्लैट स्क्रीन की कहानी सुनाता हूँ. तो मैं थाईलैंड गया था. थाईलैंड से हम लोग ऑफिस का ट्रिप था, तो आते टाइम मैंने थाईलैंड से 22-32 इंच का टीवी ले लिया और मैं घर ले आया. भाई वहां पे थोड़ा सस्ता मिलता है, तो मैंने कहा पापा को कि ये लगा देते हैं. तो वो पड़ा रहा 2 दिन तक. उसके बाद पापा आए मेरे पास, कहते हैं भाई इसका क्या करेगा? मैंने कहा टीवी है, टीवी लगाऊंगा और क्या करूंगा इसका. तो कहते भाई देख, 2 चीज कर सकता है, इसको या तो अपने सिर पे उठा के घूमता रहे और या इसको बाहर भगा दे. मैंने कहा क्यों, क्या हो गया? कहते ना भाई, इस घर में ये टीवी नहीं आएगा, हमारा ये चल रहा है, जिस दिन खत्म हो जाएगा उस दिन नया ले लेंगे, तब तक यही चलेगा. तो हमारे घर में मेरे को 1 रुपया भी खर्च करना अलाउड नहीं है. My father will not allow it.
Does your dad know how much you're worth now? I'm sure.
Yeah, he knows very well.
It's public. Very well. You can Google it. So, and how
he says that is very good. He says that is very good. But हमारे घर में खर्चा नहीं करेगा तू. हमारे घर में बच्चे की तरह रहेगा.
Wow. And where do you think वो कहाँ से, like where is he coming from?
पता नहीं यार. पता नहीं. उनकी अपनी philosophy है.
So you can't just buy them a bungalow today and say ये 4 नौकर आपके साथ रहेंगे, ये 2 ड्राइवर आपके साथ रहेंगे. You can't do that.
भाई मैं सब्जी के पैसे भी नहीं दे सकता. जो दिन में सब्जी आती है ना, उसके लिए भी मैं 100 रुपए खर्च नहीं कर सकता.
My God.
अगर कोई घर में कोई काम करने के लिए आ रहा है, तो मैं ये नहीं कह सकता तो थोड़े और पैसे दे दो, मैं दे देता हूँ ना. जो वो दे रहे हैं वो दे रहे हैं, शांति से रहो. मेरे को कोई परेशानी नहीं है, मैं बिल्कुल खुश हूँ. बट घर में रूल ये है, आज तक, मतलब मैं गाड़ी में पेट्रोल के पैसे नहीं डाल सकता, पैसे वो डालेंगे.
Wow, that is incredible.
Okay, hats off to him. He's that kind of a person. But उनके अपने
principles हैं. That is maybe, I mean, there's a lot to.
हाँ, बाहर जाएं. If we go out, then I can spend. So suppose I take my parents out to Dubai or somewhere else, there I can spend, no problem.
तब ठीक है. तब
कहते हैं भाई अभी हम तेरे गेस्ट हैं, बट घर पे बच्चे की तरह रहो.
Wow. Wow. So you reached IIM, and there also I remember you. 1 year we had in common, and तब भी आप खेलते ही रहते थे. I only remember you on the football ground and volleyball. All this, like, just like I said, even today I've never seen you, like I've only seen you in workout clothes.
नहीं यार, हर एक बंदे का अपना पैशन होता है, तो मजा आता है. So I remember when I was in Bombay.
I remember your resume. You know, Yashish, you won't know this. So जब आप लोग ग्रेजुएट कर जाते हो, तो हमारी बारी आती है ना प्लेसमेंट की. आप लोग निकल गए, तो वहां पे ना हम सीनियर्स के रेज्यूमे रखे होते हैं. हमने भी बनाना था ना, कैसे सीवी बनाना है वो. तो बड़े सारे पड़े होते हैं कि ये देख लो, इसका ये देख लो. मैं पलट के देख रहा था, तो yours I remember, and you had gone on about fitness in that. You had
किसी
mentioned
को पसंद नहीं आई यार वो बात, किसी को पसंद नहीं आई वो बात, किसी ने
नहीं,
नौकरी
मेरे को आज तक
ढूंढी
याद है,
नहीं।
देखो इतने सालों बाद देखो यार ये बंदे ने ऐसे आईएम की प्लेसमेंट के लिए उसमें भी इसने फिटनेस की इंपॉर्टेंस लिखी हुई है, लाइफ में फिटनेस सबसे जरूरी है। यू रिमेंबर दैट?
यार जरूरी तो है ही, आई थिंक दैट इज अ आफ्टर थॉट, you know, we all have a very long career. See, my father is now 85. He still works. He's got a small business, but he does it. And I think we all have very long careers. We don't realize it sometimes. You know, when we are about 20 years old, we don't realize it. We start at 20. Some people will work till 40, some will work till 60, some will work till 80. Your life's happiness will genuinely depend upon how long you can stay fit for and how long you can keep working for. And a lot of it is dependent on fitness. If you look at a lot of CEOs from international companies, you'll find they are very fit. They're extremely fit. And the reason they are...
Jeff Bezos, I see. You look like him.
Yeah, they are. And they have to be, because that is how they keep the energy levels going. And not just for yourself, you energize others also. So I think it's very, very critical. I think fitness is most undervalued, I think, but it is huge. You know, even your brain can't function without a very fit body. So I think I think it's a beautiful thing, but I don't think I do it for that. You know, I've been kind of rationalizing it. I don't do it because I want to be fit. I do it because I enjoy it. I'm in a different breed. I do it because I enjoy it. So, and that's the example I was about to give you. Once after work in Bombay, I was swimming and I was alone in the pool because everybody else had left. It was getting dark. And there was some award ceremony going on nearby. And it suddenly came to my mind, you know, I was swimming and I could feel the water splash very softly. It suddenly came to my mind that, you know, maybe Shah Rukh Khan's getting that movie award or something of that sort. And for a moment, I just thought, is he happier or am I happier? And what struck me is, I felt nobody could be happier than I was in that moment, because I was at my highest bliss point, because I was just enjoying in the water and just swimming. And I said, so that means this is what I want to do all my life, because as long as I can keep doing this, I'll be happy. All right. And I think that is the crux of it. So I now add, I like to run or swim with friends, with family. That is a definite positive. But I just enjoy it. I just do it for that. Uska fitness is an outcome. Uska wo benefit mil jata hai.
And then after IIM, you graduated but did not take up a job. I know you did work later, but you actually started doing tuitions or something.
Yes.
तो ये क्या है, मतलब ऐसे इतनी पढ़ाई लिखाई करके then you said मैं जॉब नहीं लेनी है, ट्यूशन पढ़ानी है.
I'll explain. So after IIM, I came home and I had a kind of job offer that was going to pay about 15,000-20,000 rupees, and I had to go to a different city and work. Matlab, I had to go to Hyderabad and start working, or Bombay and start working. And when I did the math, it didn't add up to me. So somehow, you know, I've been quite a practical person in terms of all these things, right? And I said, यार मैं 10-15 हज़ार रुपए के लिए मैं एक और शहर में जाऊंगा, मैं घर किराए पे लूंगा, मैं रहूंगा, वो सब कुछ करूंगा, एंड में मेरे को तो कुछ नहीं बचने वाला, 2-3 हज़ार रुपए बचेंगे, प्लस मैं मेहनत कर रहा हूंगा. What exactly will I be doing this for? ये तो मैं घर बैठ के कमा लूंगा, मैं ट्यूशन सेंटर शुरू कर देता हूँ.
ऐसे कौन सोचता है? कंपनी की जॉब ये वो लगी है कोई, ये थोड़ा कि ऐसे मतलब सारे आईएम की प्लेसमेंट्स ही छोड़ दूंगा और ट्यूशन पढ़ाऊंगा क्योंकि मेरे को यहाँ घर बैठे थोड़े ज्यादा पैसे मिल जाएंगे. ऐसे ये that means either did you really want to do your own business? Did that entrepreneurial thing was always there in you or what?
I had realized, you know, self-awareness काफी होती है entrepreneurs में. And I had started to realize that I was going to be good at doing my own thing. You know, and it was just very practical, right? आप एक ट्यूशन दो, आपको 700 रुपए घंटे के मिल जाते हैं. How many hours will you work in a month? आपके बहुत जल्दी आपके 10-20 हज़ार रुपए बन जाएंगे.
But what about self confidence? You know, like you feel like कि ये मैं जो कर रहा हूँ, will I be able to sustain? यहाँ तो पैकेज मिल रहा है, ऑफर लेटर हाथ में है, बैंक में पैसे आ जाएंगे, मेडिकल बेनिफिट मिलेगा. ये तो मतलब how did you have that confidence कि मैं कर लूंगा?
यार मुझे मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस की बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम लाइफ में हुई नहीं है. मतलब यू नो, आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन वेरी पॉजिटिव पर्सन कि भाई लाइफ विल ऑलवेज बी गुड, अच्छा ही होगा, और यू नो
पर जब अच्छा नहीं होता है
yes
आशीष, तब कैसे आप ये मेंटेन कैसे? आई एग्री एंड इट्स ग्रेट टू हैव दिस पॉजिटिविटी एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल वांट इट। सबका मन होता है कि हम ऐसे ही सोचे कि सब अच्छा होगा, आगे सोचो। पर जब कई बार लाइफ आपको कर्व बॉल देती है, उल्टा हाथ आपके हाथ में आता है, पत्ते अच्छे नहीं आते, तब कैसे पॉजिटिविटी मेंटेन करते हो? तब कैसे
मेरे
लगता है कि
मेरे फादर ने ना मेरे को दो चीजें सिखाई जो वो भूल चुके हैं। वो भूल चुके हैं, उन्होंने सिखाई, शायद उन्हें याद भी हो, पर वो भूल चुके हैं शायद। दो चीजें सिखाई बहुत जरूरी, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट। So I forgot to tell you that I became a very good runner at about 15 years of age. उससे पहले I used to participate in races. I used to always lose. So जब रेस का आखिरी मोमेंट आता था ना, I used to slow down. And then my father noticed this and he asked me कि भाई तुम ऐसा क्यों करते हो? मैं तो थक जाता हूँ। तो कहते जब तुम थक जाओ ना, तो अपनी थकावट पे सोचना बंद कर दो, दूसरे की थकावट पे सोचना शुरू कर दो कि वो साथ वाला भी थक रहा है, और जितना तेज दौड़ोगे उसको और थकाओगे। आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस चेंज्ड माय माइंडसेट।
या इट्स ह्यूज।
आई बिकेम लाइक सुपरबली कंपेटिटिव कि भाई 800 मीटर की दौड़ है, 600 मीटर हुए, थकना शुरू हुए, अच्छा तो मैं नहीं थक रहा, दूसरा वाला थक रहा है, और तेज दौड़ो, और तेज दौड़ो, और तेज दौड़ो, राइट? एंड आफ्टर आई स्टार्टेड विनिंग अ लॉट मोर, राइट? दूसरी उन्होंने बहुत एक इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड दिस इज द नेगेटिव ट्रेट इन मी, लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव टोल्ड मी दैट दिस इज अ नेगेटिव एंड आई एक्सेप्ट इट, राइट? अब सेल्फ अवेयरनेस से आई एक्सेप्ट इट दैट यार मैं बहुत ज्यादा, मेरे बच्चे भी हंसते हैं कि ही कांट इवन लेट अ चाइल्ड विन। मतलब अगर दौड़ चल रही होगी अपने बेटे के साथ भी मैं पूरे जोर से दौड़ूंगा कि वो आगे कैसे निकल जाएगा, राइट? So it's a joke in our family that
you
at least
remember
3-year-old.
you remember that elocution competition you did with me, which was like a non-competitive and like a silly thing we must be
I
doing.
know,
Yeah.
but that's because I always tell people that I was so good that I was almost on the stage with Chetan.
I didn't know you were so competitive. Anyway, yeah, go on. So yes.
The second thing my father taught me was even more important. That's helped me through my life so much. It's a very important story he used to tell me about this person in the Second World War. He said there was this man in the Second World War, and there was firing coming from the other side, and this guy got scared of it, and he actually shat in his pants. And everybody laughed at him. That yaar tu kya aadmi hai? You've done a poo in your pants. And he was scared because people do get scared. So the next day morning, this guy gets up, he runs to the other side, he pulls that machine gun out, and he pulls that machine gunner out, and he kills that guy. And obviously, in that process, he's got shot, and he's shot all over, and he dies. And my father says, "What a beautiful death." So, what my father said was very, very important, and kind of somewhere got hold of me. He said, "Every human being who is born has to die. Do me this one favor: die once. Don't die multiple times."
Meaning?
Right? Because most people die multiple times. By going on thinking about ये गलत हो जाएगा, ये गलत हो जाएगा, ये भी खत्म हो जाएगा, ये भी खत्म हो जाएगा. So it has helped me so much. As I started doing my business, there were people who threatened us, who whatever, right? And who said, we will disenfranchise you, your business will not be able to run. And I used to always say, क्या कर लेगा, जान थोड़ी ना ले लेगा, और जान भी ले लेगा तो क्या हो गया, एक ही बार तो ले सकता है.
Okay.
And that it liberates you, because what is the worst that can happen? ठीक है ना, कोई जान ही ले लेगा, उससे आगे क्या ले लेगा? And I think that liberates you. So I feel very liberated with that thought कि मेरे को मतलब डर कम लगता है लोगों से. And I think of course there is awareness of what all can go wrong, but there's also confidence कि यार what is the worst that can happen? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, क्या हो जाएगा? तो yeah, that's it यार, मतलब उतना ही है. और
यार एक बार once you are okay with the idea of death, if you are saying कि I'm okay even if I die, then life की situations कभी भी, खराब situation भी ऐसी तो कभी नहीं होती. कि इतनी खराब हो कि मौत तक पहुंच जाए बात, उससे कहीं कम, द वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो इज मच लेस
हाँ
देन डेथ.
हाँ, तो मैं मतलब पब्लिक उस पर बोल नहीं सकता, बट एक आध बार किसी ने आके हमें थ्रेटन किया कि तुम्हारा दफ्तर बंद कर दूंगा, ये कर दूंगा, मैं वो कर दूंगा।
When was this? When you just started Policy Bazaar?
2011 की बात है, 2013 की बात है, 2013
So
की
you
बात है,
just
हमारे
and you
दफ्तर में आके
started
किसी ने
and when did Policy Bazaar start?
2008।
8. So like it must have been a very small company then, छोटी सी.
हाँ, it was a decent sized company, but it was a small company. There were people, ये वो, तो वो आए, उन्होंने हमको थोड़ा कहा कि देखो हमारे पास ये पावर है, वो पावर है, हम ये कर सकते हैं, वो कर सकते हैं। एंड आई लुक्ड एट हिम वेरी कामली एंड आई सेड, तो कर दीजिए ना, मतलब आप मतलब बोल क्यों रहे हैं? एंड वो कहते हैं कि क्या मतलब, आप हमें धमका रहे हैं? मैंने कहा नहीं, हम कोई धमका रहे हैं, आप कह रहे हैं आप कर सकते हैं, आप कर दीजिए, इसमें और क्या करोगे आप, मतलब। तो फिर वो कहते हैं कि नुकसान होगा, ये वो। मैंने कहा नहीं नहीं, आप हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा फेवर कर रहे होंगे, क्योंकि मैं खुद तो नहीं छोड़ सकता ये कंपनी, मैंने तो ये काम शुरू कर दिया है, तो मैं खुद तो नहीं छोड़ सकता, बट आप मेरे को यहां से छुटकारा दिला सकते हैं। इट वॉज वेरी वेरी स्ट्रेंज। हाँ, तो इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट सरियल, एंड द पीपल इन माई ऑफिस हु वर सिटिंग देयर, दे वर लाइक कि ये क्या बकवास कर रहा है। बट मैंने कहा देखो जी, ऐसा है, मैं तो अर्जुन की तरह अपने काम पे लगा हुआ हूँ, मैं तो नहीं छोड़ूंगा अपने काम को, मैं तो करता रहूंगा। पर हाँ, आप जैसे एक तरह से राम ने रावण को छुटकारा दिया था, हाँ, आप ऐसे कर सकते हो मेरे साथ, तो आप कर दीजिए। वो बंदे समझ में नहीं आया क्या करना है, बेसिकली जस्ट लेट अस बी। तो आई थिंक इट हेल्प्स यू एट टाइम्स to have that kind of an attitude.
That kind of. Tell me about this. ये अच्छा, and then you worked in a company. Then you went to London with your family, right? And
Yes.
you're working in a job, and then so I'm going to just little bit fast forward through that portion, and then in 2008 you decided to set up your own business, which is Policy Bazaar.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. And I understand it was quite challenging in many ways. एक तो business ही खोलना आसान काम नहीं है. दूसरा, your family said they don't want to move from London, and your business was in India.
So yeah, truth be told, I wasn't only setting up a business. I have always been a job person after that. After I went to London, because the costs became quite high and all that stuff, I was a job person. And setting up the business was a difficult thing, because I would have had to move to India, and there was no way my family was moving back, because my wife was working here. मेरे बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे थे, so it was also the costs in London are quite high, so it's very difficult to support the costs in London from a startup in India. So it wasn't making a lot of economic sense, and I actually had decided not to do it, and I had decided to take up a job with Interactive Corp. अब जो भी हो, the funding came before the job. So we're working on multiple things, right? So nobody else knew I was looking for a job, but I was actually looking for a job, and I had found the job also. But बीच में funding आ गई, and एक बार funding आ गई, then you are committed, and you are committed because there are people and there's everything else. Then you can't just one day wake up and say कि अच्छा भाई अब मेरे को तो job मिल गई, मैं job करने जा रहा हूँ, right? So then but
a part of you, so in a way a part of you, yeah, you're saying you got stuck, and in a way जो आप कह रहे हो, जो आपको धमकी देने भी आया था और आपने से कहा तू मुझे मुक्ति दे सकता है यहाँ से, a part of you did want that, a part of you wanted that mukti. Exactly. Wow.
You get it, because of the lack of fear you could succeed, otherwise people would not have let you succeed. Because I was genuinely telling him, you'll be doing me a favor, because I can't tell my investors that company band ho rahi hai, but you can shut it down. If you shut it down, I'll go home. Wow. And today it's a major Indian unicorn. Yeah, now I probably couldn't behave that way now, because there is just too much to lose, and too many people have put in too much, right? There's 10,000 employees, there's so many investors, there's so much out there. How did you ever see, you are this person who runs alone, swims alone, does
इधर उधर जो मन की आई कर ली. Did you ever think कि इतनी बड़ी कंपनी बन जाएगी? And what is it even like to run a 10,000 people company? I have 2 staff and I find it difficult sometimes कि यार बहुत बड़े हो गए. And how what is it like? How does it grow? And when did you feel कि ये क्या हो रहा है और एक growth आ रही है और जिंदगी बदल रही है?
Yeah, I have always believed, because in my jobs also the same thing happened. When I started working in ITW, for example, the same thing happened. I was able to empower kya? Same employees who were failing in the company, who were not able to succeed. Suddenly with me, they started prospering and they started doing very, very well. And this has happened to me pretty much all through my career. Same thing happened at eBookers. People just started doing very well. And the same thing is happening in Policy Bazaar. It's not about me. It's about those hundreds of people who are doing extremely well. And I take credit for it. I'll tell you why I take credit for it. Those 100 people could not have done so well if I wasn't there. And the reason they do so well is because they get like tremendous freedom. I remember this one story when I was at ITW. There was this boy, Rajesh Haku. He's a friend, I can name him. He was in a difficult position with his job. And he also was being lazy about it and did not want to work and all because he had bosses who were trying to control him. Now, the moment he came with me, he had total freedom to do whatever he felt like. He became one of the highest performers. He used to work till 11 o'clock because he started loving what he did. And I think that's what is my biggest strength. I am able to get people to enjoy work, to enjoy coming to work, to become a team. And I think that has become the biggest asset of Policy Bazaar. So somewhere I knew this would happen. And I had from an awareness perspective, learned it long back, But yes, Policy Bazaar was a route where it all kind of came together, and it's given us 13 years to demonstrate that ये हो सकता है और लोगों को ऐसी freedom मिल सकती है और लोग इसकी इतनी advantage ले सकते हैं, and they can really improve and shine. So it has become a very scaled up organization because of that. So I almost do not manage or over manage or whatever. I trust a lot. तो ट्रस्ट में इट्स नॉट 99% ट्रस्ट, इट्स ऑलवेज 100% ट्रस्ट. तो उसका फायदा हो जाता है.
Yeah. No, but was it hard for you to be away from family 11 years? Did you feel at some point?
Yeah, it was very hard. It was very, very hard. We have been through very tough times. Very, very tough times. Please understand. मतलब अभी तो लोग कुछ भी कह सकते हैं यार. We genuinely did not, and this is sounding strange, we genuinely did not have money to pay for our car insurance. We genuinely did not have it. So my car in the UK was uninsured for the longest time. I did not have money to pay road taxes.
And you had an insurance company you were running. That's the irony.
Exactly. Yes. Exactly. So you can imagine, right? Financially, we were in very difficult position. We went
till when?
A very difficult position. The only good
until
thing
when was that?
That was till about 2011. So about 3 years. It was very, very tough. After that, also it stayed tough, but भाई हमने जाके किसी से पैसे तो नहीं मांगे ना. मतलब वेंचुअली तनख्वाह तो वही आ रही थी जो हमको मिल रही है. जो तनख्वाह से my costs were about double of my तनख्वाह after tax, right? Double to triple. So वो manage करना becomes very difficult.
So you literally were putting your salary into the thing.
My salary could not even pay for my school fee, my children's school fees. Wow. Just my children's school fees alone was 2 times my post-tax salary.
बट तब आपको लगा नहीं यार मेरे बैचमेट इतना कमा रहे हैं बैंकिंग में, कंसल्टिंग में, क्या
नहीं, मेरे को वो यार देखो किसी से कंपटीशन करना का तो मेरे को बिल्कुल कभी मजा नहीं आया, बिकॉज दैट इज स्टूपिडिटी. भाई सबकी अपनी किस्मत है, सब अपना खा रहे हैं, कोई किसी और का तो नहीं खा रहा. एंड हर एक बंदा अपनी मर्जी से अपना काम कर रहा है, तो मेरे को ऐसा कभी नहीं लगा. सो आई एम नॉट सी बिकॉज मनी वाज नॉट द इंस्पायरिंग फैक्टर. Probably I'm not competitive in money.
Yeah, you're not competitive in money. That's what I was going to say. वैसे you like in a race or like everything you have these
हाँ वो यार रेसेस में ही है, वो रेसेस में ही है, रेस में है, बिजनेस में है, उन सब चीजों में है. But I don't see money as a barometer of anything at all. So
just to share with people what you do about your company, I just thought we'll share this. This is You looking, this is where you're wearing a suit. My God, this is what you look like in a suit.
तो
Okay.
किसी ने कहा होगा यार पहनने को.
तेरे पहना है वो लग रहा है ऐसे कि you're like, I can tell from your face here in the picture कि यार ये
ये
कब
मेरा सूट
उतारूं.
नहीं है, आलोक का सूट
हाँ
है, मेरा पार्टनर है ना,
literally, really.
उसका जैकेट है.
Yeah, so that's that's the company, guys. Yeah, it's a very well known company. There's Akshay Kumar is there. यार wow, Akshay Kumar and everything. मैंने सोचा था मुझे बनाओगे, पर ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, हम भी करेंगे और मेहनत करेंगे हम भी. And then guys, just to share more, like I said, about the Iron Man stuff. This is an article in India Today. This is the same guy of Policy Bazaar, but this article is on a very different. This man swam 3.86 kilometers, cycled 180 kilometers, and ran 42 kilometers in less than 12 hours.
उस टाइम पे मेरा वेट बहुत था 2016 में.
So you can still do, you can still be like a little overweight and still do Ironman?
Yeah, there is no problem. But now I'm a lot thinner than that. So 2016,
yeah,
a different
no,
phase
that
in my life
I can
started
tell.
where I actually
How many
lost
kilos are
weight
you
now.
here? How many kilos are you here?
I think I'm about 90 kgs there.
Wow.
Today I'm about 70.
Wow. So that 20 kilos gone. Wow. So how are you able to, like, what, you must have been eating a lot ki Ironman karke bhi you are gaining like to 90 kilos?
नहीं यार, मैं पहले काफी बीच में heavy हो गया था. So if you remember in Ahmedabad, I was about 92, 93 kgs in Ahmedabad also. So I was quite, heavy on the weight side always. And that, till I started doing the Ironman in 2016, the weight never started getting lost. But with the regimen of the Ironman, you have to spend 25 hours a week. That started cutting the weight. Then that did not allow the weight to come back. So
okay, I'll come to Ironman, and it is important because I think, and then I'll connect Ironman to Policy Bazaar. But staying to Policy Bazaar, you're saying they were tough times. The ye wo. When did you realize, boss, ye to we made it big? What was that moment?
यार ऐसा कभी नहीं होता, मेरे हिसाब से ऐसा कभी नहीं होता. So me and my partner Alok, we discuss it very often. 2000, see, we were doing something good. We knew that we were going to make something. We knew that from 2008. We didn't have an option to fail, given how much sacrifice had gone into setting up the company. We didn't have an option to fail. That was very clear. बाकी सब कुछ ठीक है, मतलब, we had a lot of stories around it. Now we used to spend in a year about 150 days thinking मर गए, and 150 days thinking कि दुनिया के बस हम ही हैं दुनिया में. I think all that's happened over time is those days, the ratio of those days has changed. Good days versus bad days. They might have been 70% in the early days. Now they are about 15%. And every year they become fewer and fewer. But
you still have those days when it's like you have doubts.
Yeah. You still have those days when, you feel कि यार खत्म हो गया सब कुछ. और फिर, 85% of the days you have कि यार बस मतलब दुनिया में हम ही हैं और तो कुछ है ही नहीं. तो वो ratio बदलता रहता है. And then through that ratio, so when we gauge how we are doing or not doing, we say कि यार अच्छा last 90 days में how many days did we feel good, how many days did we feel bad? And that kind of guides us in terms of what the situation is. But the day we started, we knew we were going to eventually succeed. There were stages. There were stages of, we were very, very well prepared. Yeah. This time we were very well prepared. Like failure wasn't an option. Before Policy Bazaar, I had a failure, right? So after eBookers, before Policy Bazaar, I had one failed company. So this was not going to be an option. So,
when that company failed, how did you feel and how did you come out of that and said, "Chal yaar, ek aur try karte hain"? Because that people will learn a lot from. Ki, to bounce back from failure is hard.
Yeah, I felt very frustrated because I don't think we deserved the failure. We got the failure because of the situation we were put into, right? And we made one or two mistakes. We acquired a business in France, which kind of became the stone that kind of pulled us down. So we learned a lot from. But to be brutally honest, I wasn't in control there. I know this, Chetan. Had I been in control, we would not have failed. Because in e-bookers, I saved our company. It was going bust. We brought it out. I wasn't in control there. There were a lot of decisions happening which I could not control, which I could not decide upon. But they were just happening. And I think that led to our failure. Because eventually you have to have a ship going in one direction. You can't have a ship going in multiple directions. Yeah, eventually it was personally very terrible because I did not look forward to failure of that organization. We were, we could have built something fantastic. And clearly, when it failed, we learned our lessons of what all not to do again. And those really helped us because the moment we started Policy Bazaar, all those lessons were already there. And, how much money to spend, how to manage, etc., various things. So what kind of a team structure
you said that failure is not an option when we did Policy Bazaar. We said to ourselves, do you think that's necessary in life? जब भी कोई कुछ भी कर रहा हो, कोई एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहा हो,
necessary तो नहीं है. Necessary तो नहीं है. In fact, you learn a lot from failure. But see, I believe in this thing called commitment, right? कि भाई once you have to in your mind believe it's not an option, at least I think, because otherwise if it becomes too easy an option, failing is very easy. Let me put it this way, about 4 years into Policy Bazaar, our investors told us कि यार तुम्हारा business नहीं है, you are good people, तुम कोई और business चला लो, हम तुम्हें उसके लिए पैसे दे देंगे, क्योंकि ये business तो बचा ही नहीं, ये business तो हो ही नहीं सकता, right? At that time, failure was a very easy option, right? So I think that may be the military thinking or whatever you want to call it. For me, anytime failure is not an option. It wasn't even in that second business that failed. But अब तुम बिल्कुल ही control नहीं कर सकते situation को, क्या करोगे उसमें? But if you're in control, you figure out a way not to fail.
Right. And then came this Ironman stuff, and that probably came after the. Again, when you are running a company like Policy Bazaar, which require endless amounts of attention, right? Endless. जितना कर लो कम है, क्योंकि बन रही है, बच्चा है, company को आप बढ़ा रहे हो, and then Ironman training is not easy. I mean, that's a lot. Firstly, why don't you tell people about what the Ironman training entails?
So it typically entails about 2.5 hours of effort every day. You would do 9 to 10 sessions a week, which would have 2 or 3 long sessions. When I say long, I mean 3 hours plus. And the rest would be shorter sessions of about 1.5 hours or so. But you do about 10 of these in a week. There are about 3 swimming sessions. There are about 3 cycling sessions, maybe 4 cycling sessions, and about 3 or 4 running sessions, right? And then in addition to this, you'll have some level of, general fitness, strength training, etc., etc. Plus you have to, beyond this, take care of a few, diet things and all, but not too many. Diet doesn't matter so much. But yes, it does matter some, because you will need some nutrition, etc., to sustain this. Because very quickly your salt levels will start going down. So you have to be able to maintain that, and so some support you will require. But roughly 2.5 hours a day, and then about 4-5 hours every day of the weekend. Wow. And it'll take about 20 hours a week. 20 to 20
solid hard work. It's like a solid, like a.
You can only do it if you love it. If you don't love it, it's impossible.
So how did you get the time out of Policy Bazaar to do this also?
So I get up quite early, as I said, and nobody really turns up to office before 9 o'clock.
Yes, that's not normally how it is. You're
staying here. So and you have to also realize my family was abroad. So I did not have the kids here, right? And them being in London and me being in India, meant that 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock, I had nothing to do. I could either, if you really
Sleep.
think about it,
You can sleep. I just
नहीं, मैं कभी बचपन से सोया ही नहीं यार. 5 बजे के बाद मुझे नींद नहीं आती. 5 बजे के बाद मेरे को नींद नहीं आती, मतलब आती ही नहीं है, बचपन से नहीं आती. संडे को भी नहीं आती थी, कभी नहीं आती. मैं जल्दी उठने वाला आदमी हूँ सदा.
I think
Everybody
that
is different,
the one change, like if there's one change people make and start getting up earlier, it can dramatically alter your life and the
You've
output.
got so much time, boss. Many a times I tell my friends that people ask me time कहाँ मिलता है. I tell them यार 1 घंटा दौड़ लिया, 1 घंटा स्विमिंग कर ली, 45 मिनट जिम में भी लगा लिए, नहा धो के दफ्तर भी आ गया. अभी तक दफ्तर में मैं अकेला हूँ, कोई है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. तो and I post that photograph on a lot of my friendly WhatsApp groups and all. कहता हूँ यार, people say there is no time. What are they talking यार? यहाँ पे तो मतलब I'm getting frustrated. कोई दफ्तर ही नहीं आया यार, किसी से बात तो कर लूं. तो I think बहुत time होता है, but it becomes. I think it would have been harder if the family had been there. It wouldn't have been as straightforward. And my parents are very supportive. Otherwise, they could have also. मतलब भाई, taking care of all nutrition and all that stuff is not a straightforward thing. So you have to have a lot of care and support. और मैंने अपने घर में अपनी साइकिल लगा रखी है, उसमें साइकिलिंग करता रहता हूँ. पसीने कितने आते हैं, मतलब my mother only tolerates यार, नहीं तो कोई कहेगा भगा दो इसको यहाँ से.
हाँ, ये कौन है ये अजीब सा. Now, what is common, you think, in your life, in your approach, in your motivation, in the to JEE preparation, Ironman, Policy Bazaar? What is common?
यार I said this to my children also, and I would say to everybody. Most people listening are by they are 20 years
younger people.
I'm kind of almost going to be 50. Yeah, decision is a very important thing. We shouldn't take decisions lightly. Okay. And I told my children, मैंने अपने दोनों बच्चों को बोला था कि when they were about 11-12 years old, कि यार डिसाइड कर लो लाइफ में, अगर तुमको ओलंपिक वाला जीतना है तो डिसाइड कर लो. मैं गारंटी देता हूँ जीतोगे, उस बात की मैं गारंटी देता हूँ कि तुम जीतोगे 100%. बट डिसाइड कर लो लाइफ में करना क्या है, राइट? और एक बार डिसाइड कर लो ना, उसके बाद उस चीज से मत हटो. चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, चाहे वो आपका जेई हो, चाहे वो आपका कैट हो, चाहे वो पॉलिसी बाजार हो, चाहे वो आयरन मैन हो, चाहे वो स्विमिंग वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप हो, चाहे वो एक्स हो, चाहे वो वाई हो. इट विल नॉट बी इजी. Problem will come. At times it will sound stupid. When I was training for the Ironman, भाई 5 घंटे साइकिल पे बैठ के चलाते रहो. Even for me who loves sport, it seems stupid. Because तुम अगर 6 घंटे बैठे हुए हो उस पे साइकिल पे, छोटी सी साइकिल पे, लगातार चिक चलाए जा रहे हो एक कमरे में बैठे हुए, it's madness, right? It's madness.
Yeah.
So at times you will have to do things which look mad. That's a necessity. That is part of achievement. Right? They will not make sense. You have to do it. But अगर वो नहीं करना, मैंने अपने बच्चों को एग्जैक्टली यही बात बोली थी. मैंने कहा कि डोंट हैव रॉन्ग एक्सपेक्टेशन. जो बच्चे होते हैं ना, बच्चे को हर एक को ही होता है कि मैं ओलंपिक मेडल जीतूंगा. मैंने कहा ओलंपिक मेडल मैं गारंटी करता हूं, ये मेरी गारंटी रही. अगर मैं ना कर पाऊं, मुझे गोली ठोक देगा. मैं गारंटी करता हूं मैं ओलंपिक मेडल आएगा. लेकिन कमिटमेंट है कि नहीं, सोच लो. दे बोथ सेड नहीं है, हमने कमिटमेंट नहीं करनी. क्योंकि भाई इट इज अ वेरी बिग वर्ड. कमिटमेंट इज अ वेरी बिग वर्ड. इट्स अ डिसीजन, इज अ वेरी बिग वर्ड. उसके बाद you will keep doing all kinds of stupid things and you will not give up. So I think that helps a lot. Like my wife does a job which she does not like. She's done it for the last 12 years. She does it every day. मैं उनसे एक ही बात कहता हूँ, and then every day she will tell me I like parts of my job but I don't quite like it. मैं एक ही बात कहता हूँ, जो भी करना हो लाइफ में एक बार सोच लो, मजे से करो, खुशी से करो. मतलब बार-बार मत सोचो यार.
Yeah, I mean आपकी फैमिली में सारे इतने खुददार लोग हैं क्या? Your dad doesn't let you buy सब्जी and your wife who doesn't like her job but she's a billionaire's wife now, she doesn't want to leave her job. ये क्या खुददारी चल रही है?
नहीं यार, we are lucky. We are lucky. We are very lucky.
Yeah. No, I'm
We
just
are very
joking.
lucky.
In fact, my previous deep talk was with Amit Lodha, who's our batchmate from IIT Delhi, who's an IPS now and an author.
Yes.
And he was mentioning you on how he said he went through a very depression-filled phase in life where he was not confident, job nahi lag rahi thi, and he mentioned how you kind of pulled him out of it, the depression.
Yeah, I am very grateful that Amit is a lovely chap. He was your batchmate. He was one batch my junior. He's a lovely chap. I've always liked him, respected him, and I think what he's achieved, kudos to him. I was in fact telling my children about him the other day that he really likes being a police officer, and we have over time developed a lot of common friends. Like your books, I've read his books also. So I think all those things are very much there. I'm very grateful that I could. I was very surprised myself to hear that I had at some point helped him. I'm very happy that I could do that. A few people have said that to me. I think so see, for everybody who's listening in, it's 100%. I'm saying this because I want to genuinely help. It's
फिर हिंदी में
100%.
यशीष ज्यादा को ताकि ज्यादा को समझ, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, जस्ट हिंदी में बोल दो ताकि लोगों को ज्यादा समझ आए.
यार ये 100% गारंटीड फॉर्मूला है लाइफ का. जो मन में आए वो डिसाइड कर लो, उसके बाद सोचना बंद कर दो और उसके बाद पूरे जोर से उस चीज के पीछे लग जाओ.
Okay.
वो चीज होगी ही होगी 100% होगी. 99.99 नहीं, 100%. टाइम लगेगा, टाइम बहुत लगेगा. And there will be doubts, there will be pain, there will be stupidity, there will be everything. But होना तो 100% है, उसमें कोई शक नहीं.
Yeah.
It's a rule of life.
Yeah. And for those who don't understand Hindi, guys, all he said is decide, then stop thinking about it and just go for it.
Exactly. जैसे मैंने लिखा था एक टाइम पे, मैंने IIT में पढ़ते टाइम ये लिखा था, cat for now. मेरे को भी याद है वो वर्ड्स, 3 वर्ड लिखे थे मैंने अपनी डायरी में, cat for now. What that meant is अगले 6 महीने में कैट करूंगी. और भाई एट द एंड ऑफ इट हमारे IIT से सिर्फ 5, भाई आई वाज नॉट द ब्राइटेस्ट, हमारे IIT से सिर्फ 5 लड़के गए थे IIM में, तो मैं भी उनमें से था. ठीक है ना, मतलब क्या बड़ी बात है, मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि भाई तीर मार लिया, बट द पॉइंट इज, ठीक है ना, दैट्स अ बिग अचीवमेंट यार. तो फ्रॉम एन प्लेस लाइक IIT तुम उन 5 लड़कों में से हो, मतलब दे मे बी इन 50 पीपल हु ट्राइड, राइट?
यस.
तो आई थिंक लड़के लड़कियों में से, so but I think once you decide anything is, you will achieve it. There's no doubt about it. I have zero doubt.
Yeah. How much is inborn intelligence? How much is औकात जिसे कहते हैं बहुत fundamental raw gray matter, and how much you have seen in your experience in life, not just yours, other people also you have seen, कितना आपकी मतलब intelligence matter करती है और कितना is just this self discipline?
I will share one very personal thing with you. My son, like me, was not very good in academics. I also wasn't very good when I was a child. And to get into his school, he took the test 4 times, 4 years. He came to India for 1 year, but he still kept taking the test. And when he got through the fourth time, he got through finally. He got the letter from the school that it's a school. I'm talking about class 6, 7, 8, that kind of test. 4th year he got in. And I remember he sent me a SMS saying, Papa, there are only 2 kinds of people in the world. One who give up and one who win.
Wow.
And to me, that was so he had learned that one lesson from me. And then again, in about class 10, and I'm sharing this very personal thing, he told me that, Papa, I think I'm the dumbest child in my class. Okay? I've got it. And that's self-awareness. Right? But you know what? I'm going to work the hardest. And I went and told a very close friend of mine, Anuj Gulati, this. That यार मेरा बेटा ये बोल रहा है कि मैं क्लास में सबसे डम हूं, पर मैं सबसे ज्यादा मेहनत करूंगा. Anuj Gulati said कि भैया उसको कोई रोक नहीं सकता. Anuj Gulati आपका ही बैचमेट है.
I know him. Yeah, I know.
जो डेलीगेट चलाता है. उसने कहा अब उसको कोई रोक नहीं सकता. Okay, तो वो अब engineering कर रहा है, ऑक्सफोर्ड से engineering कर रहा है. He's also a medalist. He was a national medalist in triathlon. All
Yeah,
I'm
you
saying
guys have
is,
done races together, right?
yeah, we raced together. All I'm saying is, he is dumb, but he is very hardworking. Automatically, धीरे धीरे you start becoming smart also. अब वो smart भी होने लग गया है. You get my point? Because with hard work you also become smart. तो भैया ये जो God given talent वगैरह वाली कहानी है ना, ये तो मतलब यार रहने ही दो. मतलब I don't think it really matters.
Okay, good. And I think लोगों को ये सुनना जरूरी है because a lot of people feel यार ये लोग अलग ही होते हैं, ये कुछ अलग ही मिट्टी के बने होते हैं जो IIT जाते हैं. That's not true because I remember मैंने IIT में लोग देखे. Of course, some geniuses come, but the lot of people are just जो घिस के आते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
And,
और वो घिस के वो स्मार्ट भी हो जाते हैं यार.
हाँ,
ऐसा
फिर वो
नहीं है.
obviously ऐसा नहीं है. हाँ, फिर वो
हाँ.
obviously correct. But fund ऐसा नहीं है कि they were born like a prodigy or something like that.
ना ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बल्कि वो जो प्रोडिजी बॉर्न हो जाते हैं बेचारे, मेरे को कई बार उनका दया आती है बिकॉज़ वो अपने आप को पहले सोचना शुरू कर देते हैं कि मैं तो पहुंच गया, मैं तो मतलब तोप हूं.
Yeah.
और फिर
my writing was like that. I was an okay writer to begin with, and but I worked harder than the others. I've written so many books. I mean, look, the fact is I've written output book after book after book for the last 20 years, and that's just gisna. And I have become a better writer too. करके सीख ही जाते हो फिर.
Obviously,
Right,
automatic
so-
हो जाता है.
हाँ. What was the happiest moment or phase of your life, Yashish, and what was the saddest moment and phase of your life? Or phase, yeah. Moment or phase, whatever you choose.
यार हैप्पीएस्ट बहुत मुश्किल है. मैं बहुत हैप्पी रहता हूँ ज्यादातर. ज्यादातर बहुत खुश
That's a
रहता हूँ.
good one. You know what?
But I think the happiest moment, there are too many. There are too many. But if one has to stand out, it was when my son was born. That totally stands out because you know that face is still, you know, I can see the face. So that and that has never changed, and our relationship stays the same as if he was born yesterday. He's now, you know, half a foot taller than me, but the relationship stays the same. I think there have been lots of sad moments also. Policy Bazaar, इसके पहले जो business बंद हुआ था, that was a fairly sad moment. My losing my grandfather was a sad moment for some time. There were lots, but you know, a lot of people may have done wrong things to me. I have over time learned to forgive more and more, and kind of rationalize more and more. कि यार this must be ठीक है ना, मतलब उनकी अपनी situation थी. We've had very tough times in Policy Bazaar, very tough times, very tough times. People can't imagine, right? Because and while people say, you know, I don't take stress and all. Before Policy Bazaar started, I had full hair up to here.
Yes,
right. Not just hair up to here. Even my grandfather has full hair. My father has full hair. So nobody in my family has ever lost hair. I'm the first person in my family who's lost hair. So, you know, obviously it's been very stressful. And some of those times, I feel it does not need to be that stressful. It's just made stressful. I think in India, we make things too stressful. It doesn't need to be. You know, things can be a lot nicer.
In fact, you have compared your Facebook post after completing the Ironman. You had compared that 10-11 hours of running and cycling and swimming to the Indian regulatory system. Yes or no?
नहीं यार, बोल भी नहीं सकते यार. क्या है कि मतलब प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है ना. That is what I don't. If you
no, and we are not here to discuss politics or anything, but
but you know what I detest most is I was telling my children also the other day that what I detest most is not being able to sometimes speak freely, and that's not a political thing. That is just a thing. क्योंकि sometimes what happens, you have so much to lose that you can't even but
Yeah, yeah.
that's
No, no,
fine.
I understand that. But I mean, you've made it and you made it through. It's funny, Yashish, like जो आपने आज बातें बोली, I think they're extremely valuable. They can transform lives. So, firstly, जो लोग देख रहे हैं, जो अब तक पहुंचे हैं, please, और तो हम कुछ नहीं चाहते, पर आप कमेंट जरूर दें नीचे, बताएं कोई एक चीज आशीष ने बोली हो जो आपके दिमाग में आपको याद रहेगी. जब आप लिखते हो कमेंट, हमें तो अच्छा लगेगा ही, आपको भी हमेशा के लिए याद रहेगा. अच्छा लगा बुरा लगा वो भी बोल सकते हो, दैट्स ओके. बट व्हाट आई वाज गोना से आशीष इज की लाइक इतनी ज्ञान की बातें क्या, एंड माय ऑडियंस दैट कम्स हियर, दे रियली वांट टू लर्न एंड दे रियली वांट टू, दे विल टेक योर वर्ड्स एंड यू विल सी इन द कमेंट्स बिलो व्हाट दे लर्न फ्रॉम इट. सो गाइस प्लीज लाइक, प्लीज कमेंट. बट यही अगर मैं एक वीडियो याशीष लैम्बोर्गिनी चलाते हुए होगा या फेरारी चलाते हुए होगा ना, कि देखो भाई सीईओ, तो उसके ज्यादा व्यूज आते हैं. और जो आप काम करने की जो तरीके बता रहे हो, व्हाट इट रियली टेक्स टू गेट दैट लैम्बोर्गिनी फेरारी, that people are not so interested in. People are more interested in ki lifestyle kya hai, and private jet, and Ferrari and bungalows. And uh, firstly, do you have a Ferrari or any such
यार
trappings?
मेरे को तो एक बार एक किसी बहुत अमीर आदमी से मिला था मैं, और उनसे बात हो रही थी ऐसे, तो मैंने उनको कहा कि देखो जी आपके पास कौन सी गाड़ी है ना, इससे मुझे बिल्कुल फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आई एम ऑनेस्टली टेलिंग यू, इट्स अ वेरी वेरी फेमस गाय इन इंडिया, इट्स अ वेरी फेमस पर्सन इन इंडिया, एंड ऑब्वियसली कांट नेम हिम. मैंने कहा मेरे को आपके पास क्या गाड़ी है उससे बिल्कुल फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आप में से तेज दौड़ सकते हो तो बताओ, अगर नहीं दौड़ सकते तो मेरे 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 यहाँ पे आपके लिए कोई रिस्पेक्ट वाली जगह नहीं है. मतलब ठीक है आप हो जो हो, मेरे को तो मेरे, अगर आपको वो वाली रिस्पेक्ट चाहिए तो मतलब आपको मेरे से तेज दौड़ना पड़ेगा. तो ठीक है यार, मतलब हर एक का अपना अपना होता है, बट आई थिंक फेरारी से तो बहुत अच्छी है, अपने खुद की टांगे बहुत अच्छी हैं फेरारी से तो.
4 minutes a kilometer, 4.5 minutes a kilometer in the marathon. I mean, I'm just crazy. Those are crazy. I run. Inspired by you,
yeah.
I run 8 kilometers. I don't run 40, and it's really helped me. But yeah, you do run very, very fast, and that's definitely. But what has the arrival of big money done for you? What is the advantage?
See, it's a very cliched thing. See, there is a reason. I don't hate money. Okay, let's not get it wrong.
No, I know.
But I have seen it destroy families.
Really?
I have seen it destroy families, and whether it was bosses, friends, I've had a very close relationship with money, because whether you see my time in Sanar, where I had a lot of these fairly wealthy friends, whether it is my bosses at e-bookers, etc. They had lots and lots of money, but I have seen it destroy families, totally khatam kar deti. And according to me, that is a disaster. Which if it goes that way, it's a disaster. It's a disaster because मतलब क्या किया यार तुमने, कमा के किया क्या मतलब आखिर, right? And I think that has to be, yeah, I think it's got both a positive and negative side. There's no doubt about it, and one has to be a little aware of that. If I look at my children, my daughter is very aware of that. My son is not so aware of that. So he's that, कि भाई गाड़ी होनी चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए. But I think it's important to be aware of that, because and I'll share one more very small thing. And yes, I also see this all the time. Even in valuations, nobody talks about what Policy Bazaar does. Nobody talks about कितने लोगों को हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस पहुंचाया, कितने लोगों को लाइफ इंश्योरेंस
क्या करते हो आप और कैसे किया,
बीमार पड़ते हैं खुद खर्चा देना पड़ता, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. Everybody talks about कि यार वो वैल्यूएशन हो गई, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. I think that's the way life is. It used to frustrate me initially, but that's the way life is. People will see only the outward part, कि अच्छा भाई so and so is worth so many thousand crores and so many this and that. I think that's okay. That's the way it is. That's the way it is.
I think we've become a very external focused world. I was discussing with Farhan Akhtar in another deep talk, same I did with him, and he was talking about fitness, because if you see Tufan, he's done that movie and all. And he was saying this obsession with six pack. he said ठीक है आ सकता है लेकिन फिटनेस इज नॉट सिक्स पैक. लेकिन सबको सिक्स पैक, सबसे बोलो क्या चाहिए आपको, सबसे ज्यादा सिर्फ सिक्स पैक ही चाहिए. बट अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक I mean, for example, Iron Man requires true fitness. There is just no way you can do it without. But that six pack, people, not everybody with a six pack can do an Iron
Six
Man.
pack, I can tell everybody a very easy secret to get a six pack if anybody wants it.
Yeah, please.
It is about three things. It is about weight loss. It is about a little bit, not a huge amount, but a little bit of abs exercise. And eventually it's about water loss. Because it's the water in your, stomach layers that's preventing the six pack. Everybody has a six pack, by the way. It just doesn't show.
हमने छुपा के रखा है ना, बचा
हमने छुपा के रखा हुआ होता है. तो जिसको दिखाना हो दिखा सकता है. But the point is, the demonstration of a six pack is not necessarily strength. It can also be weakness.
Oh.
Because see, if you're going to do an Ironman distance, you need water. You need a little bit of fat. If you don't have it, you'll get destroyed. So six pack does not help. So I think that awareness, that maturity is very important.
And it's the same thing with money. It's like value कितनी है, कितने पैसे हैं आपके पास. Policy Bazaar की कितनी valuation है. But the real strength of Policy Bazaar is not, the valuation is a byproduct. But the real strength is the value it's creating for the people, the business, जो बनाई है चीज.
In an industry where it's very difficult to be loved, please understand, insurance is that one product in the world where the best case scenario is you never use the product. You just pay for it and never use it. That's the best thing that can happen to any customer, is that they pay for it and they never use it. Everything else is a worse outcome, right? So it's not an industry where you will get love. It's not an industry where you will have कि मजा आ गया ये चीज लेके,
गुलाब जामुन नहीं
खाने को मिला या नई चीज पहनने को मिली,
हल्दीराम नहीं ना खेले आपने.
हाँ, तो basically it's a very unrewarding industry, and in that to build a large amount of, basically what you're doing is you're building protection for a huge number. Let's not talk about policy, but the point is, I think the whole focus, and it's okay. See, Chetan, we can only change ourselves. We can't change the world alone, right? One by one, it will change. So we have to accept. And the accepting fact is, yes, the world looks at this as valuation. I keep telling the regulator that don't look at even the premium we do. Please look at the amount of life cover we create. Because that is what is important. What is important is not how much money we collect from customers. What is important is how much coverage the customers get, right? Yes. But I think the industry will take time to come to that focus. And but ठीक है, it's okay. That doesn't mean we stop working.
No, to me, you have created 10,000 jobs, and that is just direct jobs. The indirect jobs are, if you count, then it's
boss. Every time one of those people who has the insurance expires, their family doesn't go through trouble because of what one of those 10,000 people has done. That person has probably taken, shit to kind of sell that product. वो बेचने के लिए उसको गालियां सुननी पड़ी होंगी. हाँ. लेकिन उसकी वजह से, मैं बताता हूँ आपको, आज के दिन अगर किसी की फैमिली में कोई डेथ हो जाती है, पुराने जमाने गए, फैमिली भी हेल्प नहीं करती है. Besides insurance, nothing is going to help. Insurance may not help. I take that. कि भाई कई बार क्लेम नहीं मिलता, मुश्किल होता है, ये होता है, वो होता है. But उसके सिवाय और कोई मदद नहीं करने वाला. हाँ,
that's true.
So
Atmanirbhar, that's true.
Atmanirbhar.
But what else? The thing though, Yashish, now is you're still young. You're 50. I know it sounds, you say you're old, but it's still relatively young.
48 is young.
48. I'm 47. But you achieved enough. Like you achieved so much. You're one of the, modesty apart, you are valued at where you are. You're one of the richest people in the world, not just India. You are an Iron Man. What's next for you? What's next? What do you look forward to now in life?
यार मेरे को we have to take Policy Bazaar to a very high height, and I have to personally win the world championship because मेरे बच्चों ने तो रिफ्यूज कर दिया. मैं तुमको बोलता हूँ कि मुझे इसलिए करना पड़ रहा है कि तुम लोगों ने मना कर दिया. नहीं तो तुम लोगों के आसान था, तुम लोगों के पास कैपेबिलिटी भी थी, तुम थोड़ा मेहनत करते तुम पहुंच जाते, बट तुमने नहीं किया, तो अब मैं करूंगा, कोई बात नहीं.
When is
So
the
yes,
IPO?
I will become a world champion one day. There is
One
no
day,
doubt
and I'm sure
about it.
Policy Bazaar, it can go global, I guess. I mean, why not?
अभी तो इंडिया में बहुत कुछ करने को है.
अभी तो
But there are
बहुत
lots of
है.
ambitions for it.
हाँ.
You know, and now, you know, again, one thing I wanted to say, because we're talking to young people. Whenever you have an ambition like this, जैसे मैंने अभी बोला कि भाई वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनो, बोलना बहुत आसान है. अब वो करना भी पड़ेगा, और वो करना भी है. और इसमें आपका एक ही दुश्मन होता है, टाइम. तो आपको दो चीजें करनी है. एक तो टाइम को अपना दोस्त बनाना है. हाउ डू यू मेक टाइम योर फ्रेंड? You make time your friend that every day you are better than yesterday. Then time will become your friend. And the second thing is you have to set a time limit, because time is always finite. You have to say, okay, bhai, before this. So I had said before I turn 55, I will be a world champion, which is 7 years. It's a realistic thing. 7 साल लगेंगे. लेकिन 7 साल हैं. और 7 साल में हर दिन you have to become just 1% stronger than yesterday. The same thing goes for Policy Bazaar. Every day, 1% stronger. That's all.
That's beautiful actually. But आपको ऐसे अय्याशी नहीं करनी. अभी तूने पैसे बना लिए, चलो अब अय्याशी करेंगे. क्या ऐसे गुलाब जामुन खाओ बैठ के, ये क्या मतलब?
मजा किस चीज में आता है? It depends. मजा किस चीज में आता है वो डिपेंड करता है ना. अब ऐसे टाइम थे भाई चेतन, ऐसे टाइम थे मजा आता था भाई. गुलाब जामुन खाने में मजा आता था. मैंने तो 100 खाए हुए हैं एक साथ. तो बहुत बहुत मजा आता था. अब मजा नहीं आता. अब मजा नहीं आता. अब मजा आता है कि मतलब यू नो अपना जो भी दौड़ने के टाइमिंग में या स्विमिंग के टाइमिंग में या थोड़ा सा इंप्रूव और करने में या कोई मजा ले, तो योर मजा चेंजेस. मजा तो हम ले रहे हैं, लेकिन मजा एक थोड़े अलग डायरेक्शन में ले रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं. बट विद लाइफ चेंज है मतलब.
No, and I'm sure you will. And my God, this has been such a mega inspiring session for me. मैं भागने जा रहा हूँ इसके बाद. Seriously, man, I feel like okay, अभी हिलो भैया. And I really thank you so much for giving so much of your time. And it was like catching up with a friend. But I'm sure people who have been watching, thank you guys for watching. Please, like I said, I normally आपको पता है मैं कभी अपने चैनल पे नहीं कहता सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो, मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता. But you know, you do give comments, because I'm going to send the link to Yashi. She's going to read every comment. That is, I can promise you that. Tell where he has touched you, because then he can take maybe other forums. He can spread the message, because it's always a joy to help the younger generation. And also हमें जैसे I wish हम जब छोटे थे हमें कोई ये बातें बता देता. You know what I mean? हमें तो वो
और इतनी क्लैरिटी से मतलब कोई हमें बिल्कुल क्लियर बता देता कि यार ये तो है ही है.
दिख रहा है बंदा बैठा हुआ है, ये बोल रहा है, इसने ऐसे ऐसे हुआ है. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी टुडे, which we are able to do this. So thank you once again. It's early still in London. इस टाइम पे लोग normal आप लोग, I know I've taken a lot of your time, but all the best and thank you so much, Yashish, for your time.
Pleasure meeting you again, Chetan, and look forward to staying in touch. All right.
Thank you. Bye.